To set up your abacus for forearm rolling, using the forearm roll method, place a 2-ball and a 1-ball assembly with 1 slot between them. For the ball roll method, place either the 2-ball assembly or the 1-ball assembly in the end slot. And lock your abacus. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating forearm rolling using the abacus in a horizontal position. Make sure to keep your wrist in neutral and your hand relaxed for this movement. Guiding with your opposite arm, slowly roll the gel balls over the front, back, and sides of your forearm. Keep both wrists in neutral positions. Another position you might find comfortable is to bend your elbow and bring your hand closer to your chest. Then roll the ball assembly over the side of your forearm that's closest to the bone on your pinky side of the forearm. Choose the abacus positions that best allow you to keep your wrists neutral through the rolling movements and your whole body to relax and feel at ease. The benefits of forearm rolling: releases tension, restores gliding of muscles and fascia, increases forearm and wrist movement, improves forearm, wrist, and hand function.